You found a file called thumbnail thumb on your Android SD card. It's junk. It's just a cache file your phone made to load photos faster. You can delete it, but it will come back. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain why. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the thumb file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. A thumb file is a thumbnail image, often automatically generated by operating systems or applications, to provide a quick preview of a larger image or video file. These smaller versions are used to improve loading times and reduce bandwidth consumption when displaying multiple images or videos in a gallery or file explorer. Thumb files are typically compressed versions of the original image, using formats like JPEG or PNG. They are designed to be low resolution and small in file size. The specific compression and dimensions vary depending on the application or system creating the thumbnail. They are often stored in cache directories. The thumb proprietary design mandates association with Jalbum from Jalbum AB. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows cannot interpret the catalog structure, so metadata tools are needed for proper access. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the thumb file and select Open with, test Jalbum if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the thumb format uniquely. If your thumb file will not open yet, do not panic. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this thumb error before we apply the universal fix. First, recognize the file type. Understand that thumb files are thumbnail cache files used by Android Windows and are not meant to be opened manually. Next, use Image Viewer. If the file is suspected to contain a full image, rename the file extension to JPG or PNG and attempt to open it in a viewer. Finally, delete the file. If the file is causing issues, safely delete the thumb file and allow the operating system to automatically recreate a fresh thumbnail cache. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.